How do you make sure that you can still attract and retain young talents in the future? I'm Simon Schnetzer. I'm youth researcher and leadership coach from Germany. And for over 15 years, I've been working with companies who want to attract, motivate, and retain young people. I've been doing a lot of research like young people in Germany, in Austria and Switzerland, and present these results on national TV and with some of the most successful companies. On the 15th of October, I have the pleasure of being invited by the German-Greek Chamber of Industry and Commerce to share some of the most important insights and tools that successful companies use who are successfully attracting, motivating, and retaining young people. I hope that I'm also able to share these insights with you, and you look very much forward to meeting you online on the 15th of October.